Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and certified pre-owned. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.